What caused the sudden climate change 12,900 years ago? About 12,900 years ago, something caused a sudden climate change. Temperatures rapidly plummeted and returned to global glacial conditions for about 1,200-year-long period. Scientists now think they have found evidence what triggered rapid climate change. An answer can be found in North America. Prior to the Younger Dryas, the climate had gradually warmed from glacial conditions to near moderate temperatures, and the massive ice sheets in North America were in full retreat, and then the climate changed and returned to glacial conditions for about 1,200-year-long period. During this period, mammoths and mastodons became extinct in North America, along with the Clovis culture. Scientists have released 2 papers that refute the hypothesis that one or more comets struck North America approximately 12,900 years ago, triggering rapid climate change. One is a report of elevated concentrations of nanometer-sized diamonds in sediments deposited at the onset of the Younger Dryas. It's claimed that these diamonds were formed during an impact. The other is the interpretation that paleofire evidence at a key archaeological site demonstrates massive wildfires at the beginning of the Younger Dryas. It's claimed that the impact caused wildfires that spanned the continent, and this is one of the comet impact craters in the province of Quebec. Now, each paper shows that the evidence that interpretations supporting these 2 lines of arguments do not stack up. Impact proponents report that the rare form of diamond, lonsdaleite, that is usually associated with shock processing. However, we show that they misidentified polycrystalline aggregates of graphene and graphene as lonsdaleite, said Dr. Tyrone Dalton, lead author of one of the papers. Further, we show that the nanodiamond concentration measurements reported by impact proponents are critically flawed. There is no evidence for a spike in the nanodiamond concentration at the onset of the Younger Dryas to suggest that an impact event occurred. Professor Andrew Scott, lead author of the second paper, said, "The idea of a Younger Dryas impact was an interesting one that has drawn much attention. However, increasing methodological research over the past few years has failed to corroborate that story. Our research has shown that many of the markers for such an event have been misinterpreted or misidentified." So I guess the mystery still continues for some. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. This is on Message to Eagle. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.